Hey, it's Cosmo Solutions 8, and I've got some value bombs coming at you. This one isn't mine, actually. This comes from one of our subscribers. So this is really cool. This is kind of a first for me. It comes from Bojan. So Bojan, thank you so much, brother. Really appreciate you. Bojan wrote me an email today, and he said, Cosmo, I've been binge watching your YouTube videos. Thank you so much. Learned a few things I didn't know before. You and John provide so much information for free that others charge thousands of dollars for, and I have so much respect for that. Dude, super, just really, you made my day. Really appreciate you saying that. That's really helpful. Went on to say that, so Bojan referenced a video that I shot. I shot a video. I'll share a link in the description of this, but I shot a video on how to use UTM parameters to change the content on the landing page. And we were using a CMS from Go High Level, which is a CRM that we use. But it's requires on-site functionality that not every CMS has, not every site has. And so what Bojan did is he's got a script, JavaScript code that you can drop into the bottom of just about any page, and it's going to retrieve those UTM parameters and then place them wherever it is that you need them to be placed. And so he just gave it to me. It was really cool. He goes, below is a code I've been using for years to alter titles, descriptions, and colors based on UTM. So Bojan's in a specific industry, and this is so brilliant. He says, I'm in the vitamin space, and I've been using this to change the colors and titles to match prospect's gender. That is freaking genius. Of course that would improve conversion rate. That's absolutely brilliant. And then he came and said, hope this helps. Happy to share this for free. Don't want anything in return, just to give back to you guys. See, I love that. I love when giving snowballs. I love the system of reciprocity we have going here. Really, really, big shout out. I offered to drop in Bojan's website in the description and, give him credit. He says he doesn't have a website, but if that changes, I'll make sure to include it. But man, what a cool thing to have happen. So I'm going to link to this script in the description so you can have it too. And what this will do is give you the opportunity to use UTM parameters. And if you're not familiar, when somebody clicks on your ad, you can append information to the URL when they land on your landing page. And then your page can look at the URL and say, oh, they clicked on this keyword. Let me include that keyword in the description here. And it just makes things way more contextually appropriate. That's not the only thing you do. Anything you can put in UTM parameters, which is just about everything, you can pull down into your page. So prices can change, promotions, like Bojan's changing colors and stuff. I honestly never even thought of that. He's clearly smarter than I am. But it's a wicked ninja move. Great way to, kind of personalize a web page for somebody. And if you've got solid information from them, like, for instance, where they're coming from. UTM parameters don't need to come from paid sources either. It can come from email campaigns. So if they click on a very specific email or they're on a specific list, the page can change based off of, who they are. So you're basically, you're talking to them almost on a one-to-one basis in a way, if you really think about it that way. So anyway, super cool. I'm going to give the script that Bojan gave to me. I have his permission to give it to you. So link into that in the description as well. And let's keep the value train going. Really appreciate you, Bojan. Thanks so much, man. Bye.